Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3750i or 3700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to load papers. We're going to load 4x6 and A4 paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the printable area, the smooth part of the paper need to face up. Go at the back, load the paper, then adjust this paper holder. Before you start, you need to adjust this all the way to give room. Once you load the paper, printable area need to face up. Then adjust this clip. This is 4x6. And also then select this button to select the paper size to 4x6 or 10x15 centimeter, kg, 4x6 and 10x15 centimeter. Then select OK to confirm it. So this is how to load 4x6 photo paper. I'm going to remove it so that we can load A4. So take decent amount of A4, go in, then adjust this, select the paper as A4, then select OK. And once you've done that, it will show you 0. So this is how to load the paper, A4 and 4x6. Thank you very much indeed.